Okay, now let's look at the text tool preset. This comes in handy when you want to actually use text. So if you have a favorite font, you want to do your text in a favorite color, you want to do your documentation in some sort of different way, but you want to do it the same way all the time. You don't want to have to go to the text tool, figure out what size you need, blah, blah, blah. So you can do customization of the text tool. So it's pretty easy. Just like all the other tool presets, you basically go to the tool. There's going to be some add new tool or new tool preset somewhere along the way. Text tool is no different. So you can see I'm in the documentation layer that I had. That's one of the other actions that I put in the actions. And you know how to do actions, so this works. I'm just going through the different fonts. I may want a different color. So this particular text preset would be saved with the color, with the size, the font, whatever you want. And that will go consistently with each time that you use that particular text tool preset. So go ahead, play with what you want to use in your text if you do want to use some sort of text preset. It's pretty easy, just like all the rest of them. Okay, so the top of your toolbar or top of your options area, you can change your font, the color, all those sort of things. Do you want it centered, up and down? Do you want the text larger, smaller? You can do all your adjustments there. And then that preset would be saved under the tool presets. You can see the window where it has the horizontal tool. That will be your new tool preset. Or you can make a new one with that little notepad, new, create new preset. And you will find it there when you have the text tool active. So when you have current tool only selected, anytime that you touch the tool that you have presets for, it will be there. You can rename your tool, and so I named it No Value there. So that's the big NV and the font that I like. So do these first, do the options first, what you want first, and then save it. Don't save it first and then think that all your changes are going to be set. It doesn't do that.